Okay, my trip meter is at 6.6. Let's try not to crash. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Premises 187, and the voice in my head today is whose? Who?
You're such a dick.
Who is the voice in my head today?
This is like pretty much the same voice as been all the time.
Tell us about yourself.
Apparently, I don't ride.
Oh yeah, somebody
That was the comment that I've seen
thought
recently.
you were a permanent backpack. It's not true.
Fuck you. I'm not a backpack. I'm just too much of a lazy shit to take 150 miles.
Yeah. She don't live around here.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me lay face down. Head by the sword in your eye.
Oh shit. Oh, shit. Steering lock still on. Fuck. Fucking hell. Shit, that was a weird sensation. Oh, let's try that again. There we go. Oh dear. Embarrassing. Here we go, some perfectly legal cycle lane. Look at that, time and date. What day is it today?
Saturday.
Misfit, Saturday. Yay, yay, yay. Oh. Oh, he wanted out of that lane and the other driver had different plans. That's always a thing because nobody, like, he just looks at if it's clear in the lane to the right of him, and the Murphy van is just looking at what's clear to the left of him, and it is clear, and they just both sort of wanted to meet up and kiss.
Stop! Oh, if you've cracked my visor.
It will not. If it cracked because of that, then you should thank me because it was defective,
Yeah, sure.
and I just saved your little face from a crash. Here we go. Policeman just sort of like waiting for me or waiting for someone like me. Getting foggy in here. Do you ever deal with fogging in your helmet?
What?
Does your helmet ever fog up?
No, I've got pin locks. Well, yeah, it does, but like I got pin locks. I don't have to
Okay,
lock
on the days when it's really bad, there's a good tip you can use, and that's just breathe slowly.
them. Oh yeah, I do that.
And that, man, I was dealing with foggy visors for so fucking long.
Didn't you resort to straws?
What's that?
Didn't you resort to straws?
Yeah, and I even done like a straw poking out my helmet so I could breathe through it. It was a terrible idea. Yeah, I had like an exhaust straw. But yeah, no, the solution was to just breathe slowly, and like it doesn't get a chance to condensate, if that's the word. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, bless. I don't know why he stopped, but that was my opportunity. That was my opportunity to slither in like a sneaky snake. Fuck yeah, I can follow that bicycle. Can I? Oh, I just fucking made it. Nailed it. Nailed it, son. Fuck you! That's a Arabian Rider, guys. Don't clip a mirror because that will be YouTube gold for him. Son of a bitch. Somebody's horny. They're pretty horny around there. Oh, I picked the right lane. That rarely happens. Oh, that is so dumb. That is incredibly stupid. Why? Why? Ugh. Can I? No, I cannot. Hang on. I can cheese. Cheese. There's always a way. There is always a fucking way. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Four-dimensional chess up in this bitch.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. The roof comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.